Alright, I think today we're going to dig out the Crown Vic. I've got new axle seals and new brakes. We'll get those in, and hopefully she'll be ready to go for the summertime. Figured it's such a lovely day out today, about 15 degrees. We'd clear it off and get the snowblower out here and clear a path and see if we can move it into the garage. Alright, I guess first things first, grab my trusty little scraper here and see if we can't clear that thing off. Alright, we got the majority of the snow off this thing, and I think we'll just let her sit a while and let the sun do its work. You can see it's already beginning to melt now that we got it most of it off of there. And since it's a black car, it should hopefully heat up pretty good with just the sun. But we'll let her sit for a couple days and kind of let that melt, and it should warm up a little bit too. But in the meantime, I think we'll make some sort of a path here with the snowblower so we can back this thing out of here. Alright, let's throw some fresh gas in this thing and see if it's going to want to cooperate with us. Alright, let's see if we can make a path. Well, beggars can't be choosers, I guess. There's a pretty good crust of snow through here because I drove the truck through a few times and kind of made these weird frozen humps. But most of the snow is out of the way. I'll have to come by with a shovel and kind of clean this back part out, and then I should be able to just fire it up and shit can it, and hopefully it'll pull on through and we can get her in the shop. Alright, I got that big snow mound dug out of there, and it's been about an hour or two, I suppose, and the front windshield is actually cleared off pretty good, so I think we'll see if this thing will fire up, and if it does, I'll try to back it out and park it over there, and when the sun comes up tomorrow, I'll face it so it hits the back window and thaws that out, and then once it's fairly clear, we can bring her into the garage and start working on it. So let's throw a battery in it and see if it's going to run. Well, it's not the best battery in the world, but it started it. Let that warm up a bit and we'll drive her out of here. Well, I can't see very well out the back window, but let's see if I can pull this thing out without hitting anything. Especially not that clothesline back there, or the Cadillac. I don't want to hit that either. Well, let's give her a try. Alright, I'm digging a pretty good little trench here. I'm throwing some sand in there. And you can kind of see why I'm being a little bit cautious. I don't want to slide into the Cadillac, and I don't want to turn it when I'm pulling forward. I'll hit that pile of crap there. So hopefully the sand will give me enough grip to get a little traction on the way out. If I can get it rolling, I should be able to get it out of here. So let's try her again. Well, I think I'm stuck pretty good now, kind of in a hole here. And unfortunately, these tires aren't really winter tires. I kept kind of drifting off to this side, and I didn't want to hit the pole, so yeah, I think tomorrow I'll just come out with the truck, hook on, and pull it that little bit the rest of the way. I think that's the plan, so we'll shut her down for now. A lot of sand anyway, so won't be able to get any traction. Alright, it's the next day, and I don't think the sun's going to come out to melt my window, so let's fire it up and see how well the defroster works. Hopefully this battery will have enough to go. A little colder today. Ooh. Yeah, the battery was a one-hit wonder. Alright, let's grab another one. Alright, let's see if this battery will do the trick. Oh, 1,000 times better. Yeah. See if we can warm that stuff up here. See if the defroster works. Man, that car is quiet. It looks like the rear defroster is doing something. And the snow is a little bit crunchier today. Maybe we can get some traction and actually drive it out of here. Yesterday it was like driving through a sand dune with ice underneath it. Just didn't want to go. I'll give her a try anyway. Maybe I won't have to get the truck out here. That would be nice. I don't think she's going to move. No. Still too slippery under them tires. Oh well, we'll grab the truck and see what we can do. Alright, while the car's over there running, let's go ahead and fire up this truck and get it warmed up. See if we can't pull that sucker out of there. You gonna start for me today, truck? I think you will. Turn that off. There we go. I'll just let this thing warm up. Lovely heater. Alright, truck's all warmed up. I'm going to head and air it up. The back tires, they were a little low. And she should be ready to go. So let's see if we can pull that thing out of the hole. Well, there we go. That was a good chunk of time wasted, but at least it's out and my rear window is clear. So let's back her into the garage. Alright, she's in. I got her pulled way over to that side so that hopefully I have enough room to slide this axle out of here. And this side I should be fine. I got the open door, so well, I guess ain't nothing left to do but get to work. Half the battle's done getting it in here, so we'll get to it in the next video.